Doell West, Fanciful Spaces. Doell West painted furniture is unlike any other. She creates each piece from old and reclaimed furnishings and breathes new life into them. Her work vibrates with color, bold lines, and a dizzying array of detail. Part design, part function, these works are unique only to Doell. Of her work, Doell West says, "My current design work is inspired by the colorful designs painted on old-world donkey carts. I prefer to work on reclaimed, neglected pieces. To take a beat-up piece of furniture and turn it into a useful piece of functional art is quite satisfying. When I begin to work on a piece, I examine the form and shape, looking for the flow of the design. The piece will dictate the direction of my design. My goal is to fill in negative space using shapes and color to provide a visual effect, as well as a tactile imagery with the rise of the paint."